What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Uwe samla ubakerteng eki hun chulen lai punyo snem karta ubanakas nong Shangpung koira West Giant Hills ulaja arngai mentala jandap shisnem bat omdan batip shano ba udan. Kakami jong u kakong yorika chulet kaladap ujor haraliang police station naduk arpo arterik nailar arjar apsan hadin bau eki hun uklemon paying shu hadu menta. Katkum gajing ujor la ong bakasin ka bakhatdu e ba uwan yeng kalong ha ubanay no pra arja arpsang balayo yakran khatdu ling bakapun ha ubanay kalalingkat arja arpsan. Kumta ka kami kapap kami linti ya ukun jongka banwan payeng kalakar pat ikino kiri balap ni yo iya u ban pentip syaki bahyeng la ni syaki police station bajantam la ni pun hakining number. Henriu not kandai henriu sao henriu nyaw iway ar. Henriu kandai not kandai sao lai kandai pra sao. Kandai pra henriu lai nyaw henriu nyaw kandai. U eki hun udan karenyeng kabapura ujrong sanput ar inchi bat ubasya kasni do. Kisopti bayo I khaddu ba upong ka jacket bayong ka patrun bayong.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.